But the forced behaviors, the factory model that we have not let go of. We have people who have gone to school, get doctorates, have an analysis of the factory model of schooling, and then get positions in schools that basically double down on that. And I'm like, so you know what you're doing, and you might even write a paper, deliver a panel session about how that's wrong. But how is your school constructed? Be different. If it's still moving, and my background is in secondary, I'm biased in that way. I can't tell you. I mean, this is why I go back to that Mrs. Khan example of elementary school, because I don't know exactly how she created this liberatory learning environment for a fifth grader, but she did.
Mm.
But in junior high and high school, come on now, it's not right. It's adolescence. So they're going to be a little bit wild in their behavior because they're adolescents.
Hmm.
And if we actually get with the psychologists and understand what's the nature of just that time in our lives, this is not personal. You have a lot of teachers who take young people's behavior personally.
Hmm.
They're 13. All they're doing is being 13. And you over here wanting them to be 23. That's the problem. You want them to act like adults, and so you try to force them to comply as opposed to understanding how to actually nurture them in to the people that they should be at the age that they are
Hmm.
and into adulthood. And so alternative ways of connecting with students where it's not just this top down, I'm the adult, you're the young person, do what I say, requires creativity. It requires your own healing because we've all been hurt. We've all been hurt by this institution that we call schooling. Even if you loved it, I loved high school and I was hurt by it. And so we're not doing our own healing to understand the ways in which were hurt.
Hmm.
We're just going to perpetuate it, but we're going to use fancy words. We're going to quote cool progressive researchers, and we're just going to do the same thing.